Hello guys, Berko Banks here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make over $300 per day on YouTube without making any videos. So first of all, we are not going to do AdSense method. So we are not going to run ads on our videos. We're going to monetize it different ways. So make sure to watch this video till end. And also, if you're new to my YouTube channel, guys, make sure to press that subscribe button because we upload daily videos on this channel on how to make money online, how to make money on YouTube, so you don't want to miss that out. And before we jump straight to the video, guys, make sure to watch everything step by step. If you miss something, you're going to do it wrong and you're not going to earn any money with this method. So you want to do this, you want to watch this step by step so you can see how to do it exactly step by step. So first of all, I want to show you guys the niche that we're going to do in today's video. So if you go and type in motivation on YouTube, you're going to see that this is one of the biggest niches on YouTube. And also what is really important is this is the best niche to monetize on YouTube. So we're not talking again about AdSense. We're not going to monetize our video with ads, but I want to show you guys why is this really big niche. So first of all, you can see that it has videos with crazy amounts of views. You can see this video has 30 million views in 1 year. And with this method to reach, for example, $100 per day or $200 per day or $300, it doesn't have any limits. It really depends on you how much money you're going to make with this method, but it is really easy to reach with low amounts of views. So if you have few thousand per day views, you can make up to, well, let's say $500 to $1,000 per day. So I want to explain you guys how you can do this step by step. So first of all, you want to make some motivation videos, but you don't need to record them. So the method that we are going to use for this type of to create this type of videos is we're going to type in again motivational speech. And you're going to search on YouTube. Next thing that you want to do, and this is really important, you can't just go and steal any video. You don't want to steal any video. You can get copyrighted, you can get some claims, so you don't want to steal video. To do this method the right way, you want to go and click on filter right here. Next thing, you want to search for Creative Commons videos. So what are we going to do is we're going to find few of these Creative Commons videos that are successful, first of all, and second thing is you want to find Creative Commons videos that has some special speeches in them. So first of all, you can see this video right here. It is very popular. It has 1.8 million views, and you want to recheck if this is Creative Commons video. So click on Show More, and right here you can see the license of this video is Creative Commons, which means you can reuse. Your reuse is allowed. So you can go and reuse these type of videos. But we're not going to take the video. We're going to take the speech from the video. So how you can do that? First of all, you want to copy the link of this video and you want to go on YouTube download, but you want to download MP3 file. That means only sound. So right here you can see it is set to download only sound, and we're going to convert this to download our video. So let's click on download, and you can see we have downloaded the sound of this video, which is actually a speech, motivational speech. So what are we going to do next? Is there is two ways that you can find free videos that you can reuse. So there is a website called Pixels, or second website is called Pixabay. So you can go and take any of these videos that are for free. Some of them are paid videos, so you want to watch for that. So you don't want to buy some paid videos. You can go and download any, for example, this video right here. You can download it for free. And you can see it also has some sound which is also not copyrighted, so you don't need to worry about getting copyright strike or something like that. So let's say this premium video is for free and it looks very amazing. So we're going to download this video. So you can set which quality of the video you want to download and click on download. So you can see we are downloading the video, and it says crediting isn't required, but if you want to link the owner who created this video, you can do that. So if you want to support the owner for creating this video, you can do that. So again, you can't just go and download any of the videos. You want to go on this kind of websites that provide us with free videos. So to show you guys another example, we want to use Pexels because I want to show you guys some different websites. So this is first website is Pixabay, and second website is Pexels. So you can also go and download any of these videos that are for free. So you want to go and, for example, let's go and download some random one. It doesn't really matter. So let's use this one, for example. So we're going to click again on free download, and again, you can say thanks. You can go and credit the owner or send them some money if you want to, but it isn't required to do that. So if you want to support the owner, you can do that, but if you don't want to, that is completely fine. So we have downloaded the sound and some of the videos. Let's go and download a few more videos just to make sure that we have enough content for our video. So let's go and download some random ones. I don't want to do a research of the content because I don't want to waste your guys' time. I don't want to make this 50-minute video long. It is not going to make any sense. So let's go and download some of the videos just really fast. So I have downloaded 5 videos. So let's go and create our own video from. So for next step, guys, we need video editor. So I'm using Camtasia Studio, but if you don't want to use this video editor, you can find tons of free ones. I know, just go on Google and search for video editor online. So this right here, video editor, is one of the best free ones that you don't even need to download. You can just go and upload your footage on this video editor and create your own video. So WeVideo is one of the best free online editors, but you can use any of these ones that you imagine, and these all video editors are the same. So that is also really important to know. Everything is same. You don't need any special effects or something like that. So everything is pretty much the same. Just go and find the one that you actually like, or you can also use Camtasia Studio. I'm using Camtasia Studio, so if that is something that you want to do, you can go and get it. So let's create our video. So I have opened this video editor. As I said, this is Camtasia Studio, and let's put all of the files that we have downloaded to create our video. So let's put all of that. And first of all, we're using our sound. So let's put that on top. So this is motivational speech.
It's the one thing that we all have, the mind, right?
So the next thing, we have motivational speech, but what we want to do next is we want to put all of these videos, and you want to put related videos. You don't want to search, as I showed you guys, some random videos, just download them and put them in the video. That is not the right way to do it. You want to create amazing content, and you want to go and find these videos that are related of what are they speaking in the video. So I want to show you guys how this looks like. Let's put this one, and which have I missed? I think this one. So we have around 1 minute and 21 seconds of the videos that we have downloaded in a few seconds, but we need around 7 minutes of the content of the video. So we can also create, for example, 7 minutes. We can cut this part out. So let's go and see how this looks like. So you are going to run these videos that you have downloaded on Pexels and Pixabay, and you can see how it looks like. It's the one thing that we all have, the mind, right? But so you can go. I think it's one of the most essential things in making progress. We are going to change these videos just to keep the
15
track.
hours you practice your awareness to. So you can see how this looks like.
So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this looks like. So you can see how this loo
Oh, my phone's ringing, so I'll answer the phone, and then somebody's speaking.
So this is really great way to create your own unique content with Creative Commons sounds. So this is going to be, as I said, very creative and unique content. And also you can monetize some of these videos with AdSense, but we are not going to do that. We are going to demonetize all of our videos. We don't want AdSense money because there is a lot better ways to monetize this type of videos. So let's go back on Google, and you can go and do it with any affiliate marketing network, but I'm using ClickBank. So if you want to go in, you can go and create ClickBank account for free. Just go and click on sign up for free right here, and make sure to enter all of your information correctly, because if you enter something wrong, you're not going to be able to get paid. So it is 100% free to join ClickBank. So just go and create your ClickBank account. After you're done with that, you want to go on affiliate marketplace. So right here, what you can do is you can find these affiliate products that you can promote and get commission. So this is how we're going to make money, guys. So that is the part that is most important, and that is how to make money. So we're going to go and take these products that are related to motivation, and if you promote this product and someone buys this product to your affiliate link, you're going to get 72% of the sale, which is $100 per sale. So to show you guys which products we're going to promote, if you go on categories right here on the left, we're going to search for this category right here. So you can see right here the most popular products, manifestation magic. So that is something related to manifesting or motivation. And what you can do right here is you can promote this product to the people that are interested in motivation. So if you go and put, just like this guy did, if you put your affiliate link right here in the description and people watch your video, they think that it is really amazing content, and you tell them if you want to learn more, you can click right here on this affiliate on this link right here. So if they go and click that link, they're going to jump in on the landing page for this product. So right here you can see they're going to watch this around 20-minute video, which is going to explain how this product is going to help your customer. And after some time, they're going to offer them to buy the product. So I don't want to wait a few minutes. So you can see after around, I think, 10 minutes, they're going to offer them to buy this product. And you can see right here is they can buy this product for $47. So how are we going to make some money? So when they buy this product for $47, you're going to earn a 73% commission on that, which is $36.47. So let's say you get 1,000 views on your YouTube video that is related to motivation. So from AdSense, you would earn around $3 to $4, sometimes $2 per 1,000 views. But from affiliate marketing, let's say 3 people from 1,000 people that watch your video, they buy this product for $47, and you're going to earn $36 times 3, which is around $120. So almost $120 profit that you have made from free sales for this product. So you can see also that you can earn up to $300 per sale with some upsells. So if people buy some other products that they offer them, you're going to earn also commission on those upsells. So not every single guy that watched your video, all of them, they're not going to buy this product. But let's say, as I said, from 1,000 people, 3 people buy the product. Usually that number is a little bit higher, but let's say only 3 people from 1,000 people that watch your video, they buy the product. You're going to earn a lot of money with a little bit of views. So if you get, let's say, 3,000 views per day, and or you get 3 people per 1,000 views to buy your product, you would earn around $380. I don't know if my math is right, but let's say $380 profit every single day if 9 people from 3,000 views buy your product. So how to make money on YouTube? You don't need to go and just make money from ads from your videos. You can monetize them different ways. So usually I can't tell you guys exactly how many sales you're going to get, but I know some of my experiences. I'm sharing my experience. That is why I know that this method works. You're probably going to get some sales if you get some views on your videos and you're promoting the product that is related to the people that are watching your video. If you're promoting something different, like, for example, relationship advice on motivational videos, that is not going to work out because you're trying to sell the product that is not related to the video. So make sure to stick the products that are related to the video. If you have motivational videos, try to promote motivational products. That is how we make money with our YouTube videos with low amounts of views. So guys, that will be it for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in comment section. And also I have a YouTube course where I teach you guys step by step how to make money online, how to grow your YouTube channel. If you go and check my Social Blade account, you can see that I have grown this channel that you're watching right now. I'm getting around 350,000 views in last 30 days, which is pretty amazing. And I teach you guys how you can grow your channel in this YouTube course. The link will be in the description. You can watch this video. So basically I teach you guys how to create content, what type of content should you create, how to create thumbnails, post videos, create videos, do a research. So you can watch this video. I explained there everything you need to know about this course. And also, if you want to buy this course, I have a discount code for all my YouTube subscribers. So if you click on buy button and you click on add coupon code, you can enter 40 and click on apply. So you can get $40 off your purchase. So basically, I know what I'm talking about. I have few YouTube channels. You can see that this channel that you're watching right now is also a successful YouTube channel. So I know, as I said, what I'm talking about, and you want to learn from people that know what are they talking about, and they're also doing it. You don't want to learn from some random guy who is talking about how to make money on YouTube, but he doesn't have a YouTube channel. So that is why I think this course is perfect for you guys if you want to start growing your business on YouTube. So that will be it for today's video, guys. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to press that subscribe button, and also make sure to like this video to support me for making this free content with this great information. So thank you guys for watching. See you soon, and bye.